Hi everyone, let's read the story The Bird Who Gave Milk. Tala, a poor man, worked in the fields with his wife. One day they made the field ready for sowing and left. The next morning the field was as before, so they had to dig again. The third day, again the field appeared untilled. Tala stayed back that night. He saw a beautiful bird settled on the bush where he was hiding, which began singing to the field to turn around. And the field turned around. Tala was about to kill it when the frightened bird promised to give him and his family a lot of milk if he let it live on. Tala told the bird first to have the field turned around, ready for sowing. The bird did that. Then Tala placed the bird into a bag and carried it home. Tala took care of the bird and daily it gave a lot of milk, which Tala and his family drank heartily. They became healthy. When the villagers asked about the secret of their health, Tala distributed the milk to them also, and they were overjoyed. Did you like the story? Please like, share, and subscribe. Read along with Auxilia. Thank you.